Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also, put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Oh, definitely. Welcome, sir.
So can we go inside?
Yes.
Okay. This is what it is. We never had an idea that our plane was in your facility.
Okay.
It was a matter of, asking questions before we got the information that Legacy 600 belonging to our state is the RUAG before the General Atomics done. So we'll try to make contact with you and which you oblige. So we want to sincerely thank you for not hiding anything for us because it is the property of the state government. This plane was bought in 2003, I guess, if I'm not wrong, 2003, by the government of Sir Dr. Peter Odell. And by 2007, he had handed over to the next government, which was my predecessor, now Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amechi. While he was in office, by 2012, this plane was brought here. Reasons we do not know. But I guess that maybe for inspection. But what bothered us was that there was no documentation to show as we were coming into government in 2015. You can imagine the plane was there 2012. Then I came in 2015, 3 years. So the issue is, why was there no documentation to let the government come in to do that? Look, we have this facility and we sent it to RUAG before for inspection. Again, I do know from experience that inspection of such facility does not take more than 6 months, right? So if it was brought in 2012, expectantly at least by early 2013, the plane ought to have come back for use. But be it as it may, now we have come and we have been interacting with you. You have kind of told us what was being owed as per the parking space for some number of years. And I do know that we have settled on that. The payments have been done fully. Then we have to get a consultant, the Kamosa, to, relate with you, since we are not experts as regards this area. And then you came up with what should be done, the interior and all other things, which we have paid to. And then the issue of engine, and we were looking at buying new engines, but from the advice said no, the engine is not bad, but it can be done, can be refurbished, and we said okay, go ahead. And then I know it was sent to Ogma in Portugal.
Yeah.
I think it's in Lisbon. And so they tried to check. Initially, you said one of the engines had been certified, but the other one had to go back because it was not, maybe there was a problem. But later we got information that it has been also been satisfied. Now, we have paid every penny, every cost, and I think we have spent not less than 3.7 million euros on this. We have spent. Now, our problem now is, now we have gone this far, we believe that we should have a time that we can take delivery of this aircraft. We haven't paid all the costs. We don't want any other further or this. I know they have to do a thorough job, and we started this communication since 2020 or 2021 thereabout. So it has taken quite a long time.
Yeah.
And everybody in the state is expectant of, look, this the aircraft is back, because there's the people who came out on the television, on media, they should ask the state government, where is their aircraft? Because it is not an aircraft that people didn't know that it existed.
They know that the aircraft exists.
Yes, of course, because the former governor is still alive. So, where's the legacy 600? And that's what I was used to. The speaker of the assembly, the parliament, is there. The deputy speaker is there. The member of National Assembly is there. The Attorney General, what you may call justice, I don't know what you call it here, is there.
Yes.
So it is the relevant departments that should know about the and of course we have some of the leaders from the state who came, and what you may call, I don't know how you call it, the councils, the chairman of a council, So for them to see with themselves, not merely me telling them the aircraft is there, the aircraft is there, the aircraft is, So, and as politicians, one has to be careful because you must give confidence back to the people, so that when they go back home, they will say, look, we saw the aircraft, we have seen the stage it is, we believe by so time we will retrieve we will take delivery of the aircraft. So you should be able to tell us, look, where are we expecting the delivery of the aircraft, having paid all the costs, as you have, given to us. So once more, let me sincerely thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah.
So it behoves on you, maybe before we go for this, for it. We'll give you 1 month, we'll give you 2 months, you will take delivery of the aircraft. But we don't think it should go beyond March, because the aircraft is expected to do 1 or 2, carry out other activities that will help the state. The state has been chartering aircraft and this and that. When we know we have an aircraft that could do such, carry out such functions.
Yeah.
So thank you very much.
Yeah.